Hi, I'm Grant Hinderliter at the Whitman Hotel. Today we're going to be making some grilled local asparagus, an appetizer from the Marc Restaurant. The first step to this process is trim the woody ends off of your asparagus so they're nice and tender. We're going to take a little bit of our canola oil. We're just going to add that to the pan. We're going to kind of roll that asparagus around in that oil to get it evenly coated. Add some of our sea salt and some black pepper. Make sure you get a really nice even coating. You want to put all your asparagus on the grill facing the same way so it doesn't fall through the grates. So what we're doing here is we're going to look for a really nice char on the asparagus, and we're going to turn that asparagus a few times to get that really nice vibrant green color. After that, we're going to take the asparagus off, put it in a really nice black truffle hollandaise sauce. After that, we have our beautiful pig candy, and I have our feta cheese. This will add a really nice sharp bite to the dish. We will include the recipe for you to make this at home. Some beautiful black truffles, and then we'll just garnish a little bit. Some of our herb oil. I have some fresh violas from the garden, and I have some fresh lavender. That's everything. Here's our grilled local asparagus plate. Enjoy.